Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Riverside, California again. We are here at the Inland Empire Military Museum. It's a small place. They're only open Saturday and Sunday, but a lot of great artifacts, uniforms, memorabilia from World War I on. So I'm gonna go check that out today. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Leave a comment, give us a like. Let's go check it out. Is it broken into areas or just kind of everything everywhere?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spread out all over the place.
That thing is huge.
Yeah, it are. That's where it goes right there.
Oh, okay.
Xeon infrared, 15 million candle power.
That seems a bit bright. I guess you need that, huh?
Yeah.
Is mainly from local donations or all over the country?
Yes.
Both, yeah.
Yeah. We have some foreign stuff that people bring to us and say, "Hey, you want this?" Sure. We never turn anything down.
Find a place to put it, huh?
Yeah. This is a piece that is like, huh? It's maternity.
Wow.
Lady brought it in, and she actually brought in two of them. We'd never seen anything like this.
You never even think about that, yeah.
No. And it used to be that if a lady got pregnant in the Corps, out the door you go. Now they're letting them go full term with their babies, and then when they have their babies, they come back and get their uniforms back on.
It's neat to see the transition of the camo over the years and the terrain and whatnot.
Oh yeah. Each service sort of kind of made their own. At your own risk, press the red button.
God bless America!
Bet you don't see too many of those in the military museums.
That's going to be a first for me.
All this stuff in this cabinet belonged to that one guy.
Really?
Yeah.
Are these they called challenge coins?
Yes, those are all
Okay.
challenge coins.
And what are those? What do you?
Well, where it started from was in World War One. The troops would go to the local pub or bar or whatever they wanted to call it, and somebody had a silver coin, a silver dollar coin in his possession, and he said match. So if you didn't have a coin to match his, you had to buy the rounds. You had to buy the drinks.
And did you get one for? Is it for your where you serve for certain? Like what was it for?
Yeah, pretty much where you were, where you served. He was in the Navy. His is all Navy stuff. That's it.
So you didn't just have one. You get more than one. You kind of collect them
Oh
throughout
yeah,
your service.
people collect these.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
So I thought you got one. I'm in the Navy. Here's my coin, but you get it from Navy
Yes, yeah.
on the ship or.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, here's one that's just California. But it all started in World War One. Somebody slapping a.
Someone wanted to be here.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
My grandfather had a pearl-handled Luger that he got in World War II.
Really?
Yeah.
And it got lost?
I don't know where it has it.
Yeah.
Someone got it. And it wasn't me. I don't know where it is now, but yeah.
Yeah. I got this off eBay. I think that cost me like $10.
It just keeps going back there. Wow. What service were you in?
Air Force. 27 years.
I was born on an Air Force base in Aurora, Colorado.
Well, good a place as any.
I was almost born in Germany. My mother was late.
Oh.
And they said, if you don't deliver soon, you guys are leaving. And then, like 3 days later, I popped out. What's the oldest thing you have in here, do you think?
Me? No, no, Mario beats me. We've got some stuff from World War One, World War Two. Hopefully not a World War Three. Clock. Jim Beam bottle.
My grandfather used to collect those. All the different ones, yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah.
But they were always empty for some reason, but yeah.
Yeah, that one came empty too.
Don't you hate how that happens? This seems like the most difficult thing. You have to be like good at math, I'm guessing, to make these work.
Well, there's all the instructions.
What did you do in the Air Force?
Oh, whole bunch of things.
I guess in
Mostly-
27 years, probably quite a bit, huh?
Yeah, mostly I did loading cargo on airplanes and unloading airplanes.
Would that be the cargo that got dropped out? That kind of stuff? That like with the parachutes on it?
No,
No?
that's different people
Okay.
did that. I just did cargo.
Don't say just. It's still important. My dad went in to be a mechanic, and he ended up just loading bombs. I said just, but yeah, he ended up loading bombs for 4 years. You have a great collection here.
Every once in a while, somebody will bring us something new. We just add it to the collection. Here's our latest collection. The women and the little girls love it.
So then what's the newest thing you have here? Do you know?
Well, those are pretty new.
Yeah, the Barbies.
Yeah. We started out with one, and then the curator here decided to see if there was any more, and he ended up with the whole collection.
Wow. That's great. And what's your name?
Art. Everybody on this wall is somebody. To be on this wall, you have to be.
I remember when I was a kid, we used to go to Catalina Island,
Yeah.
and that's what they had. You would rent those and drive them around.
Yeah.
I couldn't wait till I turned 16. And by then they were gone. It was just golf carts.
Yeah, it was all golf carts.
Yeah. But it used to be these guys.
Dressed up Russian.
Are those authentic or are they costume?
What's that?
Are they authentic or are they costume?
They're basically costume. The uniform itself is original, but I put all the
Oh, okay.
decorations on them. Like that one over there.
How new is this space?
Oh, shit. When did we open this? I don't know.
But not too new. It's
What's that?
not too new.
No.
Okay.
World War I uniforms. Those uniforms were over 100 years old.
That's amazing. So would this go out in the field and this would be back at like
This is a switchboard.
Okay.
That would be in an office.
So when they use like World War II and they have these on their backs,
Yeah.
the antenna, how far would that reach? Would you have to like relay it?
I really don't
No?
know.
I was wondering about that because you're out in the middle of nowhere in the front line somewhere, and who are you talking to?
Yeah, really.
Is this a camera?
Yes, it is. Aerial camera.
Oh, wow.
That little spot right there, that's where the cameraman is hanging out, taking pictures.
Okay.
And they actually caught him doing a bomb run.
Someone just had that laying around. That's amazing.
Found at a garage sale.
Really?
Yeah. Box and all.
That was amazing. I want to thank Art again for showing me around the museum. Again, they are only open Saturdays and Sundays. I'll put the information in the link below. Yeah, that was really, really interesting. I enjoyed that. Again, thanks for being here. If you like that, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you next time when we see where the road takes us. Thanks for watching, guys.